Welcome back to Living Local. Many older adults find the U.S. Health Care System confusing, stressful, and hard to navigate, especially when juggling multiple doctors, specialists, and treatments. But there are simple ways to take control of your health and reduce that stress. Joining us today is Dr. Heidi Schwartzwald, Chief Medical Officer at Signify Health, which is also this segment's sponsor. Doctor, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today.
Hi, Brandy. Thank you for having me.
All right, so why do so many older adults find the healthcare system so complex and stressful to navigate?
Yeah. Over half of Medicare recipients have 3 or more physicians or clinicians they're seeing. It can be really hard to keep track of all the different steps that you need to keep yourself healthy. That can make it overwhelming for so many people.
Yeah, so what role can a primary care provider play in simplifying and coordinating a patient's health care?
Absolutely. Your primary care provider can help you keep track of all the different specialists, of the tests that you need to keep yourself healthy, the preventative services you need. They can help you make sure that you know what your blood pressure is, what your sugars are, or other numbers. We always say know your numbers for your different chronic diseases.
Okay. And why is it so important for older adults to be proactive with regular health screenings instead of maybe, waiting for those symptoms to show up?
Yeah, absolutely. Many chronic diseases can start to cause problems inside your body before you even know that you have those different illnesses. So an early check of your kidney function, for instance. Sometimes if you have diabetes, your kidneys will start to have problems before you even feel it. In our Signify in-home health assessments, we can often help you get some of these preventative tests done right in the comfort of your home.
All right. Can you explain what an in-home health evaluation is and what makes it beneficial for older adults?
Absolutely. Our in-home health evaluations are often provided by your health plan at no cost to you. A clinician will come to your home, they'll spend almost an hour with you, and they will review all of your medications, help make sure you understand what each medicine is for, review your different chronic illnesses, make sure you understand what are the steps you need to take to keep you healthy. As I said, they may be able to perform some of the preventative services you need right there in your home. We'll do a quick physical examination, and then we'll help you start to put together that personal health management plan so you and your family can talk to your primary care provider about what are those steps you need to take to keep yourself healthy.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of organization, is involved, right? And that's where you guys step in.
Absolutely. We're always happy to help coordinate your care. The last time I was visiting one of our members in their home, she admitted to me that she had been ordered to get a mammogram almost 2 months ago, but had really struggled to get it scheduled. Signify was able to help her coordinate that and get that really important health service.
Yeah, that's awesome, because it does get a little hard to navigate when you have so many doctors that you're dealing with and one appointment to another. So how does Signify Health ensure that information from these home visits is used to improve their ongoing care?
Yeah, that's a great question. We'll help you put together that personal health management plan, and then we'll make sure both your health insurance company and your doctor or your primary care provider have that information so that everybody knows sort of the most up-to-date information about what's going on with your health and what's going on in your home environment.
Yeah. Okay, so for someone who wants to take control of their health, starting today, what's the very first step you recommend?
Absolutely. I'd say check and see if you're eligible for the in-home health assessment with Signify by going to hellosignify.com or calling 855-984-5121. This may be available at no cost to you from your health plan.
All right, awesome. Well, Doctor, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
All right, again, this segment was sponsored by Signify Health, and you can learn more when you visit signifyhealth.com. We'll also have all those details posted on our quadcities.com.